and girls, we have created 2 dances for you on our YouTube channel, and now we want you to learn the choreography and show us what a fantastic dancer you are. You can either choose to dance to I Just Can't Wait to Be King or Matilda, and you can either perform the entire song or just a part of it, basically whatever you can manage, okay? We just want you to have fun learning. It will also be great if you can sing along to the dance as if you're performing this musical to an entire audience on stage. Post your videos on our Facebook page or YouTube channel by 10th of July. As long as you are below 16 years old, you are invited to be a part of this. We will be picking 3 awesome performers to join our holiday drama musical theatre workshop for free. So hurry, grab your shoes, put them on, subscribe to our channel and start dancing now!